My name is Randy Kakagamic. I'm in television broadcasting. I decided to take this program because I already graduated from music industry arts and digital music production. I've always wanted to come to college. You know, I've stared at this building for many years and I wanted to experience something that was a little more challenging. And I knew college or university was going to provide that, but I heard so much good things about Algonquin with their hands-on approach. I heard that there was a lot of professors that are actually in the field and still working in the field. So I witnessed that firsthand. Numerous profs that work at CTV, there's some that worked in the industry with APTN, and they have those real-world experiences. I am Indigenous. I'm a proud, father. I have a strong belief in my people. I've taken advantage of every opportunity that's been put in front of me here. I try not to turn down anything. That's what one of the profs has always told me. Say yes. Whatever you do, say yes. You'll get a chance eventually. So that's what I've been doing, and things have been working out in my favor.